Hey dreamers, it's Lex. My wife and children are asleep, so I may sound a little bit low, but welcome to another video. If you are a returning dreamer, subscriber, family member, hey, welcome back. If you are new here, we are a growing 2-mom family, and if you'd like to be a part of our family, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and join our online tribe. I was in the midst of refilling my snack closet. The kids are in camp. They start a new camp next week, but I was in the process of bringing this stuff out to refill the closet, and I was like, I need to film an updated, not so much an updated, but another stock with me video. So this is what this video is. So you might have already seen, I'm pretty sure you would have already seen the grocery haul. So these things look familiar, and some of the boxes are open because, like I said, I was in the midst of going ahead and put this stuff up, and I was like, no, I need to record it because I haven't done one in a while. So that is why you see a couple of the boxes open. But this go around, we do have goldfish. You know, that's the #1 hit in this house. The only difference is it has the pretzels in it this time, so that's a different thing. And then we now have Cheez-Its. We tried them a while back. I think a couple of weeks ago I realized that they like them, so we added that to the snack pantry. And we have these cookie mix. It's Teddy Grahams honey and Teddy Grahams chocolate, and then you have the animal crackers and the mini Chips Ahoy. Sorry if you hear my tripod. And you're also going to hear a little girl running upstairs. She does that nonstop from the time she get up till like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So sorry if you hear that in the background. It's only one child up there. And disregard my water bottle. I need to fill it back up. I just finished. But yeah, back to this. So we have the chewy yogurt granola bars, and then we just have the regular granola bars that don't have the yogurt on it, and then we have some fruit snacks. So let's go ahead and get to filling the pantry. So I forgot to show you guys, then we're also going to have these as well in the snack pantry. So yeah.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I lie? I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test.
So this is the final product. I'm still working on that bottom right there, trying to get them to stand up a certain type of way, but it'll do for now. But this is how it turned out. So guys, I just showed you guys the finished product, and I do have, you know, some stuff still left over, but that's to be expected. So once this stuff starts to run low, I'll just fill it back as needed. And also with the granola bars, I don't know if somebody noticed or if you might have a question about it, but it's a certain set in there that have peanut butter in them, and I did not put that or those in the snack pantry because the schools do not want you to pack anything with peanut butter in it. I guess, you know, kids may have an allergy to it, and in this case, our oldest daughter, one of her teachers had a nut allergy, so a peanut butter allergy. So yeah, we stopped packing peanut butter stuff. So yeah, so those would just go in like my little travel bag. You know, I have a little bag once I pick them up from school or camp or whatever, in case they do need a snack on the ride home. Those will be in my bag for that reason. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to tonight's video. We appreciate you guys. We just thank you guys for your love, your loyalty, and your support, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, y'all.